Hello, this is video 6 for Math0302, beginning Algebra, Chapter 3, Section 4. We're going to look at the slope-intercept form of a line. It says when a linear equation in two variables is written in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, m is the slope and 0b is the y-intercept of the line. Now notice that this is an equivalent form to ax plus by equals c. And what we do here is we solve this equation for y, and we get the y by itself, and then we replace what you get in front of x with m, and what you have out here by itself as b. Now m here is slope, m will always be slope, and the b isn't the y-intercept, it's the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. Okay, it's very important to remember that. Now, let's use this a little bit. It says find the slope and y-intercept of the line whose equation is y equals 2/3 x minus 2. Now, m is the slope. We're looking for the slope here. Now, when it's in the form of y equals mx plus b, which, by the way, you do need to memorize this, it's always the number in front of x will be the slope. In this case, the slope is 2/3. By the way, if you ever give me a decimal answer here, the answer is wrong. Sorry. This is one reason why we strongly emphasize fractions. You must have this as a fraction if it is a fraction. Now, if it's a whole number, that's fine. You can write it as a whole number because that's still just a fraction, just it's a fraction over 1. Now, the y-intercept here is what we get from the second number. Okay, this minus 2 here is not the y-intercept. It's important to remember that. The y-intercept is a coordinate. The x value of the y-intercept is always 0. And then this will tell you what the y value is. So that means that 0, -2 is the y-intercept.